in a very, very beautiful and profound hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. Very short, but so sweet and so powerful. The Prophet ﷺ says, Al-ghina, ghina nafs. That true richness is the richness of the soul. And what the Prophet ﷺ is teaching us here is very profound. It's very simple, it's very straightforward, but it's so profound that the Prophet ﷺ is teaching us that the real, true quality of life, because that's what everyone's searching for, right? That's what everyone is striving for. That's what everyone's working for. Everyone wants to grow and increase and better the quality of their life. Well, the Prophet ﷺ is saying that the quality of your life depends on what's inside, not what's outside. We keep trying to improve the quality of our lives with money, with wealth, power, fame, influence, and a whole bunch of other things that aren't even worth mentioning. But the Prophet ﷺ is saying, you can have all those things and more, and you might still end up being miserable. Because the true richness in life, a beautiful life, hayatan tayyibah, what the Quran calls, right? True quality in life, a life of serenity, a life of tranquility, a life of true happiness, a life of meaning, a life of purpose, a beautiful life that comes from the inside. In the verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala literally tells us, "Man amila salihan min dhakarin aw untha," that whoever does good deeds, lives a life that is pleasing to Allah, wa huwa mu'min, while deeply, firmly believing in Allah with every ounce of their being and every fiber of their body, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَلَنُحْيِيَنَّهُ حَيَاةً طَيِّبَةً. We will give that person a beautiful, remarkable, fulfilling quality of life. That's ultimately what we're all striving for. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the tawfiq, the understanding, the ability to live a life of meaning and purpose, tranquility, serenity, happiness, and really truly find the true quality of life.